No side. Sometimes I feel like cutting my leg to have like small leg. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back everyone. And if this is the first time that you're stumbling on this channel, my name is Chi and I concentrate on fashion and lots more. If this sounds like what you're interested in, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below. Become part of this little family. Let's grow together. And to my returning subscribers, you all know I love you, right? Today I'm gonna have a very quick unboxing. It's not much. I just want to share with you all the items that I got from my Bicester Village vlog, which I posted I think about 2 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's 2 weeks ago. I just wanted to share with you all the items that I got whilst I was in UK. I vlogged about it. I went to one of the biggest luxury outlet called Bicester Village. For those of you that haven't seen the vlog, I'm going to pop it up right here. And for those of you that have seen it, thank you guys for watching it. So I did visit Bicester Village and I picked out just a couple of things. It's quite a big outlet, but the downside to it is they do not have a lot of sizes selection, meaning like I'm a US size 9.5 in shoes, dresses, or skirts. I'm kind of like a small if it's stretchy, medium if there's no stretch, you know. But I couldn't find the items that I really wanted. Like I'd seen a lot of things that really caught my eyes, but there were no sizes. I was so mad. And one place that I wasn't able to actually go in was the Gucci store. The lines were so long and they stopped taking appointments. You know, you have to I think you have to scan a QR code outside for you to be on a queue, and then when it's your turn they'll send you a text message. But I think they were overly booked. And the funny thing is, we were at Bicester Village for quite a while. We were just walking around, looking around. I should have just gone to Gucci first, because the Gucci store is actually huge, and I was just curious to see what they had in there, you know. But I couldn't get in there, and I kind of broke my heart. And I thought that I was gonna go back to Bicester Village, but I didn't get back to Bicester Village, and here I am. I only have 4 items to share with you all, and these are the only items I was able to get my hands on, you know. And it was kind of sad because I saw some cute things, but no size. No size. Sometimes I feel like cutting my leg to have like small leg or small size, so that I'll be able to fit, like, you know, small shoes. The first item I'm going to be sharing with you all, it's in this bag right here. At the Dior store, they do not give you boxes. So if you buy shoes, handbag, they're not going to give you a box. They're just going to give you a dust bag, and they give you this white bag right here. And the only thing that says Dior is the pouch or the dust bag that they give you, and the ribbons. So this is Dior. I'm just going to show you right here. It says Dior right there. So this is the only thing that says Dior, and also the earring, the pouch also says Dior. So I'm gonna share it with you all right now. So this is how it comes. It comes inside this pouch that says Dior. So I'm gonna take off the earrings right here and show you all how it looks like. They're quite small, but I love them. These are the earrings right here. I love the heart shape right here. You can see the heart shape right here, and over here has pearls. I love the top part right here. It has pearls as well, and the way you wear it is you just twist this around and this comes out, and this is the part where you put on your ear and you hook it up at the back. I'm not gonna try it because, like I said, this is just a quick unboxing, just to show you guys the items that I got from Bicester Village. These earrings are kind of like ideal for, like, you know, going out to events. You know, if you don't want to put chunky earrings like this hoop earrings I'm wearing, you can put this on. So small, but I love it. and it was the pearl caught my attention, and that's why I got these earrings. These were, I believe these were 175 pounds, and I mean, I love it. I love the earrings. The next item is a pair of shoes, and I told myself I wasn't going to be buying CO shoes, Christian Louboutin shoes, but I couldn't just help myself, and I broke that rule just for this one time, and I bought the shoes. Like, these shoes are to die for. These shoes are matata. And I've been looking for these shoes for a very long time, and I finally found it, and I'm excited to share with you all. And it was a good price as well, so it was like what, like 375 pounds, you know, so it was a great buy. I think so. This is the bag right here, the Christian Louboutin bag, and I'm gonna take off the shoes. This is the box that it comes in right here. So I did get a size 39 right there, and these are the Kate 100, the great Kate 100. I do have those heels in burgundy and black, so when I'd seen this, I was so excited. The burgundy and black, I've had them for like years, and those are like 5 inches. These are 4 inches, so I grabbed them because like I literally can't work in 5 inches like that anymore, and I don't know why. So let's get ahead and open this. So these are the dust bags in here. These are the shoes in here. Oh my god, look at this heel. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous this looks. This is fire. I got this because I love how the two-tone colors just go. This kind of look like black onto like the nude, but it kind of looks like blue. It looks black in the camera, but it looks also like blue. Like, you see how it fades into the nude right here. I love it. Like I said, this is $39.95. They're brand new, and I cannot wait to pick on this baby right here. Let me get the second pair. These are the second heels. Love. These are 4 inches. Let me get a pair that is 5 inches so you guys can see the comparison. This is a 5-inch heel. This is my nude. You see how deep it is? It's so deep and high right here compared to this one. See that? Look at that. So it would be so easy to work on this than this, because these kill my foot. Like, I'm not joking, they do. But I'm already used to them, and I've had this for years, like over 7 years, and they still do the job. Look at the bottom of the shoes. It's really beat it up, so you can tell that I've been wearing it, and I have refused to refurbish the bottom of the shoes, just because I just love it like this. Like, I don't think I want to take it to a cobbler to refurbish the bottom of the shoes. I just love it. I love it like this. Will I get rid of my 5 inches? No, I'm not. I'm keeping them because I still love them, and they're a work of art in my closet. So yeah, but I'm glad I got these 4-inch heels, because I can wear this more and wear this when I feel like. But I'll be reaching more for this. So yeah, I love these new babies. I cannot wait to show you guys how I'm going to rock this. The third item I got is another pair of heels, and it's a Fendi heel. I've wanted these heels for a very long time, but not in this particular fabric. The time that I wanted to get this heels, I wasn't able to get my hands on it. I think I did that in the last minute, and I couldn't get my hands on it, and then I was like, whatever. But when I went to the outlet, I did find this, and these were like extra 50% off. So these were like 175 pounds, and you can't beat that. So I just splurged it on it. So this is the box, Fendi, and let me bring out the shoes that I got you guys to see. And this is how it is right here. Comes with a dust bag. That's the dust bag. And the shoes are wrapped right here. So these are the heels that I did purchase. I do love this heel. I've seen this a while ago and I kind of fell in love with it, but I never took the chance to actually try one on. The fabric is kind of like a springy feel. I don't mind the springy feel. I like it. I love it. And the heel, like, yeah, you can tell that my shoe style is changing so rapidly. Like, my shoe selections are changing and I kind of like love the heels. On a normal day, will I be wearing heels like this? No, but like I said, I think it comes with age and maturity. Not to say that I'm not matured, but like, you know, as you get older, you start drifting towards a different kind of shoe style. You know, maybe I'm turning to be a grandma, and you know, not to say this is not a grandma shoe, but if it were the Chichia before, I would call this a grandma shoe. I wouldn't want to have a shoe like this. I would want like all my shoes to be like, you know, pointy Christian Louboutin shoes, and that's it. That's what I was doing for a very long time until I'm like, wait, I just have classics. Like, I need some kind of selections, you know, like switch it up. And I started changing, buying different kinds of shoes, trying different types of heels, trying to see if they suit me or if they are my style. And I kind of love this because these are very comfortable for me to walk around. Checker print material right here mixed with flowers over here. You can see how it looks. So you have the checker print right here, and then you have florals right around the corner. See, the heels are like 3 inches, 3-inch high, and this is like an elastic band. This is like an elastic band, so it stretches on your foot, so you can see it closely. See how it looks right there. I just love the heel, and I just can't wait to rock this during the spring. This is spring friendly, so these babies are going to be coming out this spring, right? This spring. And I did get a size 39 because these are my size and they fit perfectly. They are very comfortable. They do not hurt my feet. These are a must get in your closet, particularly not in this color. I think I'm going to get the actual color that I wanted online if I do find it, but these are really nice and I love it. These are from like 2 seasons ago if I'm not mistaken, but I still love these. I love this because they do still have these styles on their website, but not this particular fabric, because I know every season they come with like a different fabric and print. So but I love this, and for the price, come on now, you can't beat that. 175 pounds. These are the bottoms of the shoes right there, made of leather, and like I said, they're 3-inch high. I love, and I can't wait to show you guys how I'm going to style this shoe. So the last item I'm going to share with you all is in this bag right here. Yes, your baby girl got herself a new pair of accessory. I could not resist on this accessory, and I am going to share with you all right now. The classic Chanel wrapping, where you do have the camellia and the ribbons around it. I love how the earrings are shaped. I just love how it's simple. The CC logos on it. It's very simple yet classy, and I'll call it a little bit edgy because you can literally wear this earring on literally all outfits. You can dress up, dress down. So I'm so glad that I got my hands on this. I said overall I love the earrings. I can't wait to rock these earrings. I can't wait to share with you all how these earrings look on my ears. Alright family, thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. If you did love this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that like button. Also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post any new content right here on my channel. For those of you that are thinking about subscribing to this channel, now listen, now my voice has changed. What y'all waiting for? What you not they wait for? Now no one subscribe. you should go subscribe now. Make una subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. I'm not begging you, I'm just telling you. I don't need to beg you, I'm just telling you. You should go subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.